What's good, YouTube? Today's episode headed to the junkyard. As you can see, actually, I want y'all to go in the comments and tell me what vehicle I'm in. We 3 deep. That's all I'm gonna say. We 3 deep and we can't fit nobody else in. We loaded up on. We got the whole back loaded. Got the trailer in the back. About to see what we come back with. Y'all stay tuned.
I'm like, damn, man, motherfucker got a phone.
I see too.
Golf cart hit him, boy. Look at it.
So what up?
So that golf cart hit.
Oh, hell yeah, that be hit like a motherfucker. Shit, hit the mark.
Free me. Oh yeah.
I say shit, I took that handle out, I seen it was them cables, I say shit. And I was gonna fix it before I sold it, but I done fell in love with it. I said, man, shit, I open that bitch up. I ain't involved with me.
One little store run, getting some snacks and some necessities. You know, some basic essentials.
Black hair.
Oh man. Man, that's crazy. I be careful out here.
I'm telling you.
He's funny as hell.
I don't know what I want to drink.
Right. Got a water in
Some juice. Juice is something. It's gonna be hot as hell.
the truck. Yeah,
Some electrolytes going. Damn, the chips high as hell.
Ain't had no tea.
About to drop the top. Trying to hear the birds and the bees. Perfect day to pull the old school out. Ayy, you can catch me in that 7-7 ball head, no help. I be on that 7-5 swerving, no they don't step. Got him throwing shade, saying spray, he don't play fair. LS humming, scars booming, living like I don't care. Money on my mind, I'm living rent free in they head. Ducking from them feds, taking back roads instead. You can't never guess my net worth. Counting up these commas make your head hurt. Full of money, diving in it head first. Had to do that leg work. Yeah, I know they hate to see me. Looking in they mirror, know they wishing they could be me. Old school, cranky like it's teething. Car show season, gotta give them all a reason. And know these boys ain't touching me. If it's up, it's
Yeah, that's the truck, yeah. He said, hell, I ain't got no insurance, and it's Eric's truck, so shit, I don't get
And everything. Couldn't find. Dude.
looking for the radio.
But y'all ain't never seen one of these before. What is that? What is that? It look like a cracked egg. Alright, so we did manage to go and get one sunroof successfully cut out. Seats didn't work out for me because couldn't get the trunk open to power the battery. But we got one. It's probably gonna go in. Oh, you probably gonna go in the Cutlass over there. Over there in the corner over there. And we're gonna try to get another one and do the Impala and possibly get one more. So we'll see. It's kind of hot out here today, but we might make it work out. We'll see. Okay, so an update. We found a second sunroof. We already pulling it out. Started recording late today. Grinding down the spot wheels and then probably do another cut around the outside. so today we managed to get 2 panoramic roofs for our bills that we doing. I'm beat, man. The sun really drained all my energy. I'm tired and ready to go to sleep, but I got a few more things to do today before I knock it off. But that concludes this episode. Maybe in the next one I'll probably show some of the installation when we get ready to actually install them on the vehicles that we intend them for. But I'm not sure exactly when we're gonna get to that, but we'll keep y'all updated. So make sure you like, subscribe, and leave comments. Let me know other things, other suggestions you have for these bills, any ideas or recommendations that could speed this process up, because this was our first time. We ran into a few things. Most notably, we didn't realize there was going to be spot welds once we removed those skins, and once we figured out a method to knock those spot welds down, the process went a lot faster. So the first one took us about 3 hours, I ain't gonna lie, because we ain't want to mess nothing up. The second one took us a good probably 45 minutes in and out. But now we got plugged in with the source for these sunroofs. So we're probably gonna start installing them on the regular for people that's interested in that. So again, like, comment, subscribe. I'm tired. So peace out, y'all. Thank y'all for the love and support. See y'all on the next episode.